What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a matcha latte, because there's been plenty of times before when I'll get my matcha latte and it's either too sweet, it don't taste right, they ain't put enough matcha, you know what I'm saying? So this way you can adjust it to however you like it and it's still gonna come out bomb. Let me tell you everything that you need. I'm nervous as hell. I got this matcha kit off of Amazon. It was like maybe under 15. There's some that's running like $30 as well. If I do remember, I am gonna put the link because I don't really remember. So a milk of your choice. I'm using almond milk, vanilla almond milk. I usually use some oat milk too, just to give it like a little bit of, it makes it just a little bit more thicker and creamier, but straight almond milk is still fine. I got this maple syrup from Aldi, or any kind of maple. You gotta make sure it's maple syrup. Don't use no pancake syrup, okay? Because that's gonna taste nasty. You need a shifter. A mini one. This is some organic matcha. This is real good stuff. Some honey. You need some ice cubes and your cup. So you want to soften this bristle up. You can't use it when it's hard. So I got some hot water and you pour this in here. And you're gonna let this sit in here for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so now it's been a few minutes and it's a bit softer. So you're gonna take this out, put it right here. You're gonna empty out the rest of the water and dry it out. Girl, this stuff is so good. Y'all finna see. For like, dang, yeah, this is actually like legit. Okay. So hey, you wanna turn that down a little bit? Yeah. So after that, I used to have the spoon that goes with this kit to scoop the matcha out of here, but I don't know where it went. Yeah, I'm fucking open. So yeah, now I'm just gonna eyeball it because I like a little bit more matcha in my matcha drink anyway. So usually you're supposed to use like a teaspoon. I think I'm gonna eyeball like 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna use about that much. That looks about right. So after you got your matcha in here, you're just gonna boil a little bit of water. You don't need that much actually, because you're just using it to whisk around the matcha. So just boil about like maybe like 2 ounces. That sounds about right. And in this case, it has to be warm because I guess like the steeping from the water is gonna help ground down the matcha and make it real smooth. Okay, so now that I got my hot water, I'm gonna pour it in here. I only pour a little bit at a time. You really don't need that much. Now it's all smooth. You see how smooth it is? I'm gonna add a little bit more. Maybe that wasn't 2 ounces. Yeah, it looks so pretty. Don't put anything inside here because then you're gonna taste it in your latte. So you just want to make sure it's whisked around real good. That's about good there. So right here is where, you know, I like to add the maple syrup inside here. Some people don't do it like that. I kind of think it's a bit more easier than adding the maple syrup in the cup and then stirring it. It's way easier. So I'm gonna take my maple syrup from Aldi, and I like mine pretty sweet. So I'm gonna take, I don't even know how much. I don't even know how much it was. You gotta eyeball it. And I'm gonna mix this in here. And it's gonna get dark. Just like that. Okay. And from here, I'm gonna take my ice cubes. And then I'm gonna pour my mixture on the bottom. And finish it off with my almond milk. Just like that. Grab your spoon. And watch how they mix together. This is really mesmerizing. There you go, y'all. There you go. That's for you. That's yours. It's sweet. It's really good. Go ahead and like this video if you do want to try this recipe. Let me know how it tastes in the comments. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. Okay, bye.